Traveling in Thailand is like stepping into a vibrant painting where every brushstroke tells a story. The moment I landed in Bangkok, the air was thick with the scent of street food, spicy, sweet, and utterly intoxicating. I remember wandering through the bustling markets, my senses overwhelmed by the kaleidoscope of colors. Brightly woven fabrics, intricate handicrafts, and fresh tropical fruits beckoned me from every corner. I couldn't resist trying a mango sticky rice, its sweetness melting in my mouth, a perfect balance of flavors that seemed to capture the essence of the country. As I ventured beyond the city, I found myself on the islands, where the turquoise waters kissed the shores of golden beaches. I felt the sun warm my skin as I lounged on the soft sand, listening to the gentle lapping of waves. Snorkeling in the clear waters, I swam alongside vibrant fish, their colors more vivid than any painting. Each moment felt like a dream, a slice of paradise that I never wanted to end. The people I met along the way were equally enchanting. Their smiles were infectious, warm, and inviting, as if they were sharing a piece of their soul with me. I learned to say sawadi and kob kun, and found joy in the simplest of conversations. I was welcomed into homes, where I shared meals prepared with love, each bite a testament to their culinary heritage. As I traveled from bustling cities to serene temples, I realized that Thailand is not just a destination. It's an experience that lingers long after you leave. It's the laughter of children playing in the streets, the serene silence of ancient ruins, and the vibrant energy of life that pulses through every corner. It's a journey that stays with you, transforming you in ways you never expected.